Hello everyone, this is Janelle Moore, Graduate Assistant for the NSU Institutional Review Board, and the title of this video is How to Register for CITI Program. So the first step is to navigate to citiprogram.org, and then on the sign-in page, select Register in the upper right corner. Then select your organization affiliation, then type your organization in the text box, which is in this case Northwestern State University. And then you can select it from the drop-down list. After you have entered your affiliation, go ahead and click the checkbox to agree to the terms, and there are going to be two check boxes. So go ahead and check both to agree to the terms. Then click Create a CITI Program Account and follow the instructions after this step, and contact us if you have any questions.